It's a calm night. A little bit of clouds, but pretty much clear. So if it's clear and we get moonlight, that'll bring the animals out to start feeding.
5 miles away from Maria and Biko, Russell has returned to the vantage point he discovered earlier, determined to pinpoint the current location of the creature he's been pursuing. Using his parabolic microphone from this position will allow Russell to track anything moving through this area.
The cabin's out that way. Got the parabolic set up. I'm gonna turn on the thermal. We'll start scanning.
I feel like whatever I've been tracking is sort of toying with me. But at this point, I'm now one step ahead of it because I've set up trail cams. And here, with my parabolic mic and my thermals, I have that tactical advantage.
I've been doing this for a lot of years. And so far in Washington, I've heard some strange sounds I've never heard in my life.
Hearing or seeing anything?
Not seeing anything yet. There's something moving out there. I can hear it. There's something out there moving. Look at that. Hey, hey.
I see it.
Watch. Are you hearing that?
I heard something.
Listen. Holy crap. Holy crap. There's something out there.
I can't believe what I'm hearing. I'm hearing those same clicking sounds I've heard several days ago. It's a very unnatural sound that I've never heard before. I believe this thing is communicating with something else.
Where are you? Right out in that direction. I heard it. No, you gotta be kidding me.
Suddenly the clicking stopped, and I can still hear movement down below me. And I don't know how far it is away from me, but at this distance, any variation or movement from that parabolic mic to the left or right, I'll lose that sound altogether.
It's going away. I can hear it. It's going away. It's headed straight for where we set up the trail cams.
We do.
Let's back up our gear. We're going that way.